In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to Tradingview and trade directly from the platform step by step, 2025. First, open Tradingview and head to any chart. It doesn't matter which symbol you start with. The connection process is the same across all charts. Take a moment to confirm you're in the main chart view and not in a separate window or full-screen replay mode so you can access the controls we'll use. Now look toward the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. Click it to reveal the broker connection area. This is where Tradingview integrates with supported brokers and also where the paper trading option lives if you want to practice without risking real money. If the panel is minimized, hover near the bottom edge and expand it so you can see the full list. In the list of brokers, find the one you want to connect. You'll see popular options like Paper Trading, TradeStation, Alpaca, and OANDA, among others. Availability can vary by region and account type, so if you don't see your provider, it may not be supported in your location, or you may need to check the broker's Tradingview integration settings on their website. Click Connect next to your chosen broker. A login window will appear. This is the official, secure authorization flow provided by your broker. Enter your broker account credentials just as you would on their own site. For your security, make sure you're on the legitimate Tradingview domain and avoid sharing credentials anywhere else. If your broker requires extra authentication, such as a one-time code or an authenticator app, complete those steps now. Two-factor authentication is common and adds an important layer of security, so keep your device handy and follow the prompts carefully. Once the connection succeeds, you'll see your account details populate inside the trading panel. Your available balance, open positions, and any existing orders should appear here. This is a great moment to verify that the account type and currency match what you expect, especially if you have multiple accounts with the same broker. You're now ready to place trades directly from Tradingview using the buy and sell buttons. You can open the order ticket from the chart or the panel, choose your quantity and order type, and confirm when you're ready. Many traders like to place orders visually by clicking near the price they want on the chart, then adjusting the order in the ticket before sending. Keep an eye on your positions and orders in the trading panel as they update in real time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.